let's face it, nothing screams cool like a really nice pair of Doc Martens. I grew up in the 80s. In fact, I was a teenager in the 80s, and nothing screamed edgy and cool like a really nice pair of Doc Martens. Now, back then, I didn't actually own a pair of Doc Martens. I had Dupes. I went through quite a few Dupes, but never actually had a pair of the Doc Martens. They were a little bit out of my 80s budget. So, no, I didn't have them then, but more recently I thought to myself, these things are still cool, and it doesn't matter that I'm in my 50s. I think I can rock a pair of Doc Martens. What I did, though, is I found a pair that were on sale, and they're actually pink, bright pink. And I thought, well, that's okay. I can make these work. I thought, maybe they would look great with a pair of wide leg white linen pants, or even a linen long skirt. I thought they would look nice with maybe some wide leg jeans, with a more understated top, maybe just a cable knit sweater in cream or something like that. So I bought these. These are actually children's size, but that's okay because my feet are very small and I can wear children's boots. It's hard to find high heels, that's true, but when it comes to other footwear, all it is a great bargain because the children's shoes tend to be half the price. So anyway, I bought these. They're not for me. They're a little too bright, but I wanted to show you. These are based on the iconic 1460s style. Without further ado, let's look inside. That's right, I fit into a kid's size 3 boot, which is sort of equivalent to a women's size 5, a little bit smaller. Even the box is cool, okay? I wasn't really punk rock in the 80s. I was more, I guess I would consider myself more with the new wave clan. But the new wavers and the punks, at least in my circle of friends, we really did blend together and got along very well. And all of us liked Doc Martens. They weren't necessarily pink, they were black. But yeah, let's take a closer look at these. patent leather. It's got the signature Airwear sole. I love the yellow stitching on these. I don't think these would work for my kids. They're in college now and they don't have feet my size. I don't have grandchildren. Actually have, well, I have nieces, but and nephews, but they're too young for these. But let's take a look at some of the cool features. It's got the Doc Marten. I wouldn't be cool in the 80s if I did that little slip up and called them a Doc Marten. They're a Doc Marten. Okay, I know these things. Yeah. All right, that's it. Love them. I think I'm going to seek out a black pair. I think the black would still go great with the white linen wide leg pants I talked about earlier. I just think this is a little too much for me as far as the color goes. Tell me what you think. I mean, do you think I should keep them? Do you think I can make these work? Or should I just maybe look for black? The cream or white might be nice too, but I'm all about sales, so I'll be looking out for more sales. But until next time, I'm going to put these away. And again, looking forward to your comments. What do you think? Should I stick with the pink or keep looking? Have a great day. Bye.